Hello and welcome to topapps.ai, where we share the latest tools and trends in artificial intelligence. My name is Cass, and today we will be talking about Doctrina AI, which is an AI that is revolutionary education assistant designed to help students and children learn in an entirely new way. So let me ask you this question. Have you thought about the way that you learn? In today's video, we're diving into the world of Doctrina AI, the educational assistant that will change everything for you. Doctrina AI is a game changer when it comes to education. It's a revolutionary education assistant designed to help you learn in an entirely new way. With the power of OpenAI's GPT-3 language model, Doctrina AI has an incredible ability to understand, process, and respond to any learning material. It's like having a personal tutor by your side when you need it. Imagine this. Doctrina AI can analyze data from your textbooks, syllabus, lectures, and more to help you stay on top of your studies. It's like having a super smart study buddy who knows exactly what you need to succeed. Doctrina AI goes above and beyond by recommending personalized study plans tailored to you and your individual needs. And it doesn't stop there. Doctrina AI can help generate study notes and review sessions specifically designed to help you understand and retain information more effectively. It's like having a study partner who knows the best way to help you learn. With Doctrina AI, you'll receive personalized feedback to identify areas where you can improve and work towards your academic goals. It's like having a coach cheering you on at every step of the way. And the best part is that Doctrina AI is accessible from any device with its intuitive and easy-to-use interface. You can conveniently access your study material whenever and wherever you want. Doctrina AI is for everyone from elementary school to university. No matter what your age or academic level, this assistant is ready to support you on your learning journey. But it's not just students who benefit from Doctrina AI. Educators can also use it to gain insights on their students' learning patterns and progress. So it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. So now you know about this, don't hesitate to try Doctrina AI and discover a new way of learning that is personalized, effective, and convenient. Get ready to unlock your full potential and achieve your academic goals like never before. So this has been everything in today's video, but if you want to learn more or discover about AI tools, go to topapps.ai. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.